In this video, I'm gonna show you how I turned Instagram into an automated date funnel. Within 2 weeks of running this system, I had 11 dates lined up from Instagram alone. And I did this on a private account with well under 1,000 followers. And I'll show you exactly how I did it. I used to think the way to use Instagram for dating was to slide into girls' DMs in my city, like a few photos, drop a follow, and hope for a DM back. I probably sent 100 cold DMs. Maybe got 10 follow backs. 5 of those 10 girls unfollowed me within a day. And maybe 1 or 2 DM me back, but none of it ever led to a date. Here's the thing most guys get wrong about dating with Instagram. They think shooting their shot and sliding in random girls' DMs relentlessly is a dating strategy. But it's like playing in the NBA and only ever taking full court shots. It's low percentage and you'll never win the game playing that way. And it's not just that it doesn't work, but it destroys your reputation. These girls see you out in public. They remember the guy who slid into their DMs and got left on red. They look at those guys like desperate peasants, and girls talk. So if you have a date lined up with a girl and she sends your photo to her group chat, the last thing you want is one of her girlfriends saying, "Oh my God, that guy slid into my DMs. He's such a creep." Cold DMs don't just fail, they actively make your dating life worse. So here's what this system does when you run it properly. It snowballs. You get more followers, more social proof, more women in your pipeline, and some girls will add you on Instagram and immediately slide into your DMs, while others will DM you a few weeks later. But if you could have the self-control to avoid sending thirsty messages and just let them come to you, it almost becomes unmanageable to reply to all the women reaching out to you in the DMs. And when you run this system, you can basically have dates whenever you want, with whoever you want, with barely any effort. All you have to do is set this up once. So here's the entire system step by step. Step 1, optimize your profile. Before anything else in the system works, your Instagram page needs to be strong enough that when a woman lands on it, she actually wants to follow you. Think about it from her perspective. She's gonna look you up before she makes any decision about you. What she needs to see is a grid that looks like a life worth being a part of, a follower ratio that doesn't scream desperate, and a bio that doesn't make her cringe. And for the love of God, check your tagged photos, and if any of your friends did you dirty and tagged you in a photo that doesn't make you look attractive, untag yourself, because that's the first thing women look at. So spend 20 minutes cleaning up your Instagram profile before you do anything else, because if this step isn't done right, everything else after is just a waste of time. Step 2, build your ammo folder. Ammo is any photo or video from a cool place. A night out, a trip, a good restaurant, a rooftop. Anytime you go somewhere interesting, you pull out your phone and you capture it. A few photos, a quick video, a close-up of the drink or the view, and then you save all of it in a dedicated folder on your phone called Ammo. And the key here is that you don't post it all at once. Don't empty your entire clip and dump all your ammo in one go. You want to save it and deploy it over time so your profile stays consistently active even when you're sitting at home doing nothing. One good night out can give you literally 2 weeks of story content if you space it out properly. Step 3, add every woman you meet on Instagram. This is the step that builds your pipeline. Every girl you match with on a dating app, every girl you meet on a night out, every girl you cold approach, all of them go on Instagram, not iMessage. You want a massive pipeline of women all seeing your stories at the same time, because the more women who are watching your content, the more inbound DMs you get. And some of them will reach out immediately once they follow you, whereas others will reach out a few weeks later when something you posted on your story finally tips them over. You never know when the timing is gonna be right for a particular girl, so the goal is to stay consistently visible to as many of them as possible. And if you need actual tactics on how to get 20 to 30 new girls on Instagram per week, stick around because I touch on that later in the video. By the way, if you made it this far, pound that like button, hit subscribe, because no one on YouTube is giving you sauce like I am. Step 4, post the 7 story types. There are 7 categories of stories that consistently trigger DMs from women, and I cover all of them in detail in the Instagram secrets module inside Rizz University, but I'll give you the short version here. The 7 story types are the place, the BTS, the date POV, the travel story, the lifestyle detail, the social proof, and the thirst trap. Use sparingly. Each one of these does a different psychological job. The date POV, for example, a table for two. 2 drinks shot from your perspective with nobody visible. It immediately makes her wonder who you're with, and that's exactly where you want her. Together, these 7 story types build a version of you in her head that she can't stop thinking about. Step 5. Deploy your ammo based on timing triggers. This is where the system gets really powerful. A girl just followed you from Hinge? Post a story that day. Someone left you undelivered? Post a story. A girl you've been seeing has been acting a little distant? Post a story. You're not texting her, you're not chasing her, you're just living your life visibly enough that she can see it. And every time you post, you're bumping yourself back to the top of her mind without burning any of your social capital by reaching out first. Step 6. Run your text game in the DMs instead of iMessage. When she reaches out, keep the conversation on Instagram rather than moving it to your phone number straight away. The reason is that your stories are doing the nurturing in the background the entire time. While you're having a conversation with her in the DMs, she's also watching your stories, seeing your life, building more attraction. The two work together in a way that a regular text thread never can. iMessage is just text bubbles, but Instagram DMs are texts plus a live feed of your life playing out in real time. That combination is what closes the deal and actually gets you on dates. Here's why this works on a psychological level. Attraction is built by desire. Women are attracted to things they want, but don't have. Most guys fail because they chase, making themselves overly available and trying to set up dates immediately. So women see those guys as an option they can get whenever they want. And if she can have you whenever she wants, she doesn't desire you. And if she doesn't desire you, she'll never become attracted to you. She wants the guy who looks at her story but doesn't like it. The guy who leaves her on red. The guy who clearly has options and isn't sweating over her. The reason this outcompetes almost every other dating strategy is because with every other dating strategy, you need to compromise your frame to initiate. You have to chase just a little bit to start the conversation. This system is completely different. You're only ever dealing with high interest inbound leads. Women who came to you. And women don't date guys who chase them. The guys who get dates are the ones who make women chase them. This system gives her the opportunity to do exactly that. I used to waste so much time chasing women and getting nothing back. Now they chase me. And I don't even have to put in any work. Now, let me give you 2 advanced moves for funneling your Hinge matches onto Instagram at scale. First, if you don't know what a match note is, it's a message that gets sent automatically to every single person you match with on Hinge before either of you say a word. You set it once and it goes out to every single match from that point forward. Most guys either leave this blank or write something generic like, tell me about your favorite hobbies. But here's how I use mine instead. I changed my match note to this. I rarely send out likes. So if we match, you must have stood out. I don't check this often, so reply with your Instagram and we can talk there. And I have so many girls just send me their Instagram handle as the very first message. And because my profile is strong and the frame of that message is strong, I'm the one who rarely sends likes. I'm the one who doesn't check this app often. Almost all of them add me back on Instagram. Most of these girls just slide into my DMs right away without me even having to message them first on Instagram. The second advanced tactic is to copy and paste "Hey BB" to every single match as your opener. The low interest girls are gonna ghost you, and that's perfectly normal. They were never gonna show up to a date anyway. But if your profile is on point, about 70% of them will reply with something positive, like, hey handsome, or hey, how's your day going? But you're not gonna reply to this message. Instead, you're gonna hide these matches. Once a week, go through your hidden matches and copy and paste this message. Sorry, I'm so bad at checking this. What's your Instagram? We can chat there. With this strategy, I'm getting 20 to 30 new girls onto my Instagram every single week, filling my pipeline. And here's the thing, most men have experienced women running this exact same playbook on them. You can learn a lot about dating from a frame of abundance just by watching what women do. I just copied it and it became my most lethal dating strategy. One little pro tip here is to add all of these women on the same day so they're all seeing the same stories at the same time rather than missing your best ammo. This is how you run your dating life like a system. Now, here's the thing about ammo. Taking aesthetic lifestyle photos doesn't come naturally for most men. And one bad story post isn't just gonna lower her interest a little bit, it's gonna get you unfollowed. This system only works if you're consistently posting stories that are optimized for the female gaze. That's why inside my community, me and my wingman post daily story ammo that you can literally screenshot and throw up on your Instagram. You don't even have to leave your house to have women sliding into your DMs. For how much value is inside the community, the price is ridiculously ridiculously low. And if all it does is get you just 1 date per month, it's totally worth it. So I put a link to my community down in the description of this video. It's called Rizz University. Join right now and I'll see you inside. And if you liked this content, check out this video here because I think you're gonna love it.